You can manage your Oppo phone easily with its inbuilt phone manager feature and enjoy the fast processing of the device. Here's how. Open Phone Manager and start optimizing your phone. Tap Clean Up Storage to clear up the app's cache. To manage privacy permissions, tap the option and then tap App Permissions. From here, manage the listed access. You can also manage the same by tapping Apps. Go back and tap Startup Manager to manage apps notifications and messages. Select apps and toggle the button off or on to discard or allow notifications. Now from the main interface, tap Virus Scan to clean up any malicious apps or files and then tap Done once the scan is completed. To check and manage payment apps, tap Payment Protection and toggle the button on if the app protection is off. Now, it's time to optimize the phone in its simplest way. Tap Optimize and enjoy your fast-performing Oppo phone. For more help or feature-related videos, subscribe to OppoCare India and hit the bell icon to get notifications.